Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for November 16, 2021. So the overall market is still in the uptrend. You see that the last couple of days the market is still continue to put it up to the upside. Right now they try to test the previous high here. If we can clear the area here, the market is still continue to put it up to the upside. So this week is the option expiry week, so you will see that the market is still have some volatility, but the overall uptrend still remain intact. So we will continue to looking for opportunity to buy the dip. If you look at the NQ, which is still very strong here, after they pull back a couple of days, now they come back up. So we try to test the previous sales on here. So if we can clear that area here, they will continue to push it back up. But if we fail to make a new high here, then the market it can go sideways a little bit before they can push it back again. The Dow is also similar. They come right back up, but they get stuck at the previous sales on here. So if they can clear this area, they can continue to push it up. The Russell 2000, they after they break out, run up, so they're losing momentum a little bit, but they try to hold at the support here. If they can hold on to this level, they will continue to push it to the upside again. The crude oil, they are losing momentum a little bit after Mr. Biden, he released the oil reserve, so the price to help the oil price to be stabilized a little bit, so they are a little bit coming down here, so before they can follow support somewhere here. The gold is also pull back a little bit after the run up, but momentum is still in the uptrend. So this is the area that you need to watch out. Let's see the gold can continue. If they turn around here, they will get back to test this area here. The Bitcoin, they are still sideways choppy after they run up here too fast, so they pull back down to build some momentum and to get back the energy so that they can turn around again. The Ethereum it also pull back down here. Sometimes they run too fast, so they have to come back to find the support before they can turn around again. If you look at the volatility index, we are still in the low bound here. So as long as the market stay calm, we still have a chance for the market to continue to put it up to the upside. The 10-year Treasury note is still continue to put it back up, so high chance that the interest rate will be increased and more inflation will coming back up. So if this one continue to go up, the big cap stock they can have a little bit trouble too. So you have to watch out for the interest rate in the next couple of days to see it when they get back to the sell zone. They can pull it back down, or they will continue to put it back up to the upside. Right now momentum look like more positive, so that you have room to put it up again. If you look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, you can see that the material they run up, so now they pull back a little bit the last 2 days, but the energy it still goes sideways, it's like similar to the oil. And the strongest sector that we can see right now is the industrial. It still hang on to the upside, and you can see that a lot of stock in this sector is still doing well. Like FedEx, they are right at the resistance. ODFL, so this is another freight line. They are still doing well there. And BLD, okay, that's the top view. They have to continue to put it up to the upside, and you can see that the strongest sector that have been doing extremely well. This is the technology sector to continue to put it up to the upside, as you can see here. So this one is very strong. They are leading by a lot of software stock, okay, like tech software to continue to put it up there, and the and you can see the semiconductor. That's another one. It's extremely strong there. They continue to put it up to the upside, and you can see that a lot of stock in the semiconductor they doing extremely well, like Applied Material, LRCX, Lam Research, they're also very strong there, and XL and X. Okay, Xiling, for example, is still very strong to the upside, and this stock we have been following them, and it continues to rumble to the upside. The green energy sector is still doing well, so a couple of stocks that we highlight for you is still try to find a way to put it up again. ICLN, so that's another one. It's still sideways, but the momentum is still in the upside. UG Block, it's another Plug Power is still doing well there. The sector that on Sunday video I have been mentioned for you that the retail sector, the XRT, it's also extremely strong after the breakout the multiple month resistance here. So you can see that a lot of stock in this sector are doing extremely well, and it continues to put this sector to the upside. So like for example like Costco, as you can see here, continue to put it back up. Home Depot, today they are now good earning and continue to put it back up. NKE, Nike, to put it back up. VOTT, okay, Woodbine Holding is still very strong there, and F&D, for example. So those stocks are still extremely strong. Okay, so that helps the sector to continue and push it up to the upside. So beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with entry and target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below, and good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.